In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn company page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to establish a professional presence for your business or aim to connect with like-minded professionals in your industry, setting up a company page on LinkedIn is an invaluable step. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is head over to LinkedIn, open up your web browser, and enter linkedin.com in the address bar. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for professionals, and creating a company page here will not only help increase your brand visibility, but also engage your audience effectively. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. This is your personal hub where you might already be enjoying a variety of professional content. From here, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll see what we call the waffle icon, which appears as a grid of squares. This icon is your portal to accessing all the different LinkedIn features and settings. Click on the waffle icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see various options, but the one we're interested in is Create a Company Page. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where the magic starts happening. Now, you'll arrive at a page with several choices because LinkedIn offers various types of pages depending on your goals. For our purpose today, we'll be choosing Company. This is the standard option for most businesses looking to establish themselves on the platform. Click on Company to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter basic information about your company, such as the business name, a link to your company's website, and more. It's important here to use your official business name and a reliable website link, as this contributes to the authenticity and professionalism of your page. Additionally, you'll need to upload your company's logo and write a concise description about your business. This description should effectively communicate what you offer and what sets your business apart. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, take a moment to review the information for accuracy. When you're ready, hit the Create Page button. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a LinkedIn company page. Remember, this is just the beginning. Regularly updating your page with engaging content, company news, and industry insights will go a long way in building your brand's professional network on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll explore more on optimizing your newly created company page for success.